So today before we get started, I want to show you, give you a review on Got to Be Good. Okay, so I had installed this wig, right, for like I left it on for 2 weeks. I used to keep it on for 3, 4 days or whatever with Got to Be Glued. So you gotta tell me why when I took my wig off, it started itching. My edges started itching when I applied the Got to Be Glued at. So I'm took the wig off. I'm just rubbing. And guess what, y'all? My edges, I rubbed my edges completely off. Like, it's good for 2, 3 days, but 2 weeks, no. Don't let Got to Be Glued stay in your hair for 2 weeks. It is not good. It would take your edges completely off. Look, you guys. It ate my edges completely off. Down. You can see where it started to go right back in. I got a fresh, clean line right here. Unbelievable. But I know how to grow my edges back up. Okay, so now we got that out the way. And like I got a bigger forehead now. But I'm back to the basics using regular lace front glue, lace wig bun, extreme hold the same. So back to that. And today I'm going to install 3 full lace 613 blonde wig. Okay, this is the wig that we will be installing today. Had it for a year or so. It's synthetic hair, so I just brought it back to life. I'm just gonna do something with it. I forgot cap. Let me install my cap first. This also what I will be using to keep my stocking melted cap on. Salon Pro 30-second. Weave molding gel. That's what I'll be using now. Not no Got to Be Glued all down my hair. Finna see how that go though. see that everything I'm using is basically the same from the same brand, Salon Pro. 30 seconds. Lace front. I use this my eye glue and the molding. All 30 seconds Salon Pro. And this also say lasts 2 to 6 weeks. So right up my alley. But right now I'm just letting this hold down and dry in place. I did apply some in the back. I don't know if you really can see. So I'm just waiting on it to dry right now. And I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. Let's see how this goes. Yeah. It's my baby, y'all. What, boy? What? Hey, you guys, I'm back. And I installed the weave and I slayed the edges. Once again, I had a hard time doing the back because you know it's hard to put it in the back. But I like it. It's just the hair. Well, I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, share, like, comment, leave feedback. Let me know what you guys think, and so much more. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want me to see me do anything else, comment, and I'll try to get it done. Thank you.